Andrew doing his favourite job in the rain. Hey guys!
G'day!
Welcome back to our channel. So today we're at Pioneer Park and it's bucketing down outside, so we're kind of hiding in the van at the moment.
Waiting to set up the caravan.
Sitting
tight in the rain. And it's windy and it's cold.
And yeah, this is camping in Tasmania.
Yoo!
But anyway, that's all right. At least we're out and about doing it. So Pioneer Park is located in Riana, which is on the northwest coast of Tasmania. It's a pretty decent sized campground, isn't it?
Good actually, nice and grassy.
There's power and unpowered options available. The campsites themselves are pretty good size, so we'll show you all that. And it's pretty cheap per night. I think it was like, I don't know, what do we give the man, like $20 a night or something, $22 a night, I don't know, something like that. Yeah, so that was pretty good. There's water at pretty much every campsite and some little playgrounds for the kids, so we'll show you all that. Stay tuned.
Cheers guys.
Cheers.
You want another one?
No, thank you.
Yeah, straight into another one. Keep going.
I can't.
Yeah, tell me when to stop, Levy. More or stop?
More.
Oh, more? Daredevil. Stop or more?
Mom,
Oh, you sure?
Mom, just look at that orange sunset.
Do you reckon that's enough?
Go, Livy.
Yo!
You.
Yo! Hold on.
Hold on with your two hands. Hold on, Livy. Good girl.
Oh, you're
Whoa!
Whoa! Whoa!
Can I just say something?
Was that fun?
I really can't go.
Are you dizzy? You got the dizzy giggles. Oh
Whoa.
no!
Can you spin me on that one?
Nah, I'm gonna swing you though.
Was that fun? Dizzy.
Oh yeah.
No!
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
You're right. Was that fun? You're dizzy now. Oh. So there's another little hut section down here. This one's not powered. There's a good sized fire pit here. Not sure if they're allowed to burn the firewood. It looks like they've been doing a bit of tidying up. So these ones are nice and shady. They'd be really good in summer. There's taps available around here too. A couple of fire pits. It's a big skip bin, so there's no excuse to leave your rubbish laying around. But it is really well maintained here, nice and grassy and a little bit cool because it is snowing up on the mountains. So here's the board with the pricing on it. So 2 people, $12 a night, and then additional $2 each for unpowered, and then $20 a night for 2 people for powered, and then $3 each child. So you can stay here for 4 weeks. Nice clean toilets. These toilets are cleaned daily by volunteers, and there is a donation box that you can put some money in if you'd like to make a donation to the volunteers. So here's the showers, also clean daily. You can make a donation here and use the gas stoves, hand sanitizer and paper towel, washing up liquid in the sink, and then there's the kettle, toaster, microwave and a slow cooker. Plenty of seating in here and rubbish bins again. Swings over there for the little ones, bit of a sand pit, and then the bigger playground down here. So I am going to do honey carrots. Yummy! So I've got some Dutch carrots here. Normally cook in the oven, but I think we'll be fine on the stovetop. So I've just coated them in olive oil. I can get the honey open. We'll be alright. Oh, I think you need like 2/3 of a cup or something, but
Put the whole jar in.
no, I just don't really measure anything when I cook. I kind of just do what I think. It turns out pretty good most of the time. So, but if you like measurements, I think it was about 2/3 of a cup or something like that. I just do whatever. So put some honey in, season with salt and pepper to your taste. And you can cover them to keep the heat in. So just kind of mix them around, coat them all up with everything, and yeah, let them cook until they're however soft you like your carrots, basically. We like our veggies with a little bit of crunch, so
Yeah, so we got.
soggy veggies are not on the menu.
What's in this one?
Corn!
Corn!
Corn on the bob.
Corn on the bob, the kids call it.
How'd I go, Tiff? Corn, broccoli, caramelised carrots on a cold winter's night in the cast iron pot.
So we've just stopped at Ferndale Gorge State Reserve. So there's toilets, a walking track, and you can have a picnic here. Don't know if there's any barbecues, but what we're actually going to do is go and do the Thornsby Tunnel, which is a 30-minute walk. So come on, let me out of the mud. Run, run, run. Did you lock the car though? The toilets are up there. Picnic area. Alright, so here we go. Thornsby Tunnel, 30 minutes. Can't camp here and you can't have your dogs.
And horses.
No.
Walking track only, no bikes allowed. There's a bike track further up the road if you do have mountain bikes.
Pretty.
It's a long time to walk, isn't it?
Are you having fun?
Yeah. Fun.
Where are we going?
On adventure.
On an adventure. Sunday fun day. Yep, I'm coming. Reckon it's cold?
Yeah.
Want to go for a swim?
No, too cold.
You swim or not? Why not?
That's it. Come.
Come on then. We'll try to catch up to Libby. So, cheese! It's almost like you love each other. Oh, go back. It's like they love each other.
Where'd you go, Libby?
Oh, Livy's the winner. How's your big bum going, Libby? All them rice bubbles?
Too much rice bubbles.
Oh, you didn't eat too many?
I did.
Too many cookies.
Too many tiny teddies.
No, biscuit.
Ah,
Too many biscuits.
too many biscuits make your bum big.
Oh,
Ah,
that's rice bubbles.
and rice bubbles and chocolate and apple juice.
And a happy meal. Come on.
How you going, Libby?
This.
Oh, I was trying to go out too. How'd you go, Libby? Having fun? Having fun? Oh, tired. Let's go.
Pretty.
Um,
No, we have to go to the forest. We have to go to the tunnels. We have to go to the tunnels then.
yeah. Is that the same tunnel? No.
The other one was around
Oh, we're there. Oh, we don't fall down.
No, don't fall in there. Slippery.
Yeah, it's really small, that one, isn't it? Oh, slippery too.
Yes, my slippery.
So the track's not too bad. It is a little bit slippery and a bit muddy in a few places, so make sure that you wear gumboots. It's not too bad for kids. There are some bits that are a little bit slippery, so just make sure you hold their hand. Our 3-year-old and 4-year-old have done it fine and have walked the whole way, so it's not too bad, which is good. You can keep walking and go up the Dial Mountain, but we're not going to walk a mountain with the kids today. It takes you through some really nice rainforest along the river here, or it's more of a creek. A couple of little steep bits.
Oh, there's the tunnel.
One of them, I think. There must be another one, is it?
Should have brought a torch.
You're in now.
Just gonna go and check her out.
Dun-dun-dun.
Where gonna get wet Gonna get wet socks. Come back.
Not much yet. It's been filled in there, I reckon. Oh, there's a big spider there. Oop. Some big spiders in there. Yeah.
Thanks for watching our video on, where did we go? Pioneer Park.
Pioneer Park.
and the Thornsby and Browning Tunnel Walk. We hope you enjoyed it. As always, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you want to keep seeing our videos. You're getting missed out.
Say bye.
Bye.
See ya.